Hi there. In this quick demo, I'll show you how the Sales Auto workflow works with the WooCommerce connector module in Odoo. We'll walk through importing an order and see how it automatically gets validated, invoiced, and marked as paid without manual steps. Let's get started. First, head over to Odoo, select the WooCommerce menu, and open your instance. In this example, we already have one order that's been fully invoiced. But now, let's try importing a new order. Just enter the record ID, then click Execute. Once that's done, go to Queue Jobs. As you can see, the queue job has completed successfully, and the order is now imported as an invoice. Click on the order to view it. Now, here's where the auto workflow kicks in. Odoo automatically validates the order, creates the invoice, and registers the payment for you. No manual steps required. To confirm the workflow settings, go to Configuration, Sale Workflow. Under Auto Validation, you'll see the flow: Validate Order, Create Invoice, and Register Payment. To run this process, we need Chrome. Now head to Chrome. Go to the Connector Auto Sale Workflow job. Click Run Manually to trigger the job, and done! Let's check the order again. Our imported order, originally a quotation, has automatically generated its delivery and invoice, and the invoice is already paid. That's the power of the Sales Auto workflow in action. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more walkthroughs and tips. Thanks for watching.